What's up, YouTube? This is Eric Kelly, aka The Tech Gentleman, and today we're going to be taking a look at the silver-backed beast. That's right, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, the sensei of all these big screen phones has arrived. Before we get started, I want to remind you guys, hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, and Google+. I have links in the description below. Also, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you got any questions, leave them in the comment section below. But without further ado, let's talk tech. It's here. Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I know you guys have seen probably 1,200 unboxings and whatnot. We'll take a quick look at the back of the box just for giggles. Standard stuff: Note, S Pen, wall charger, stereo headset, USB connector, quick reference guide, and terms and conditions. Go ahead and get this guy out the little sleeve here, the classic Samsung sleeve. Simple, classic Samsung box. Oh, greeted with Note 9 here. And if you can't tell, I'm a little excited. So we got that right there. We got the beast right here. Ooh. Yes, Lord. All right. Plate out the way. Standard adapter fast charger. Got their nice little Type-C to Type-A USB connector. Transferring your stuff out of the iPhone over to Samsung. Also got your Tuned by AKG earbuds. Type-C, nice little color matched, well, black, not color matched. Type-C charging cable. Got your extra S Pen tips. So if you use that S Pen a lot, you'll need those. They'll come in handy. And some extra ear tips, because ear tips matter. All right, hashtag ear tips matter. All right, got anything else in here? Nothing else. That's good enough with me. Get the box out the way. Put it back there for ambiance. Like I said, put some respect on it. Shout out to the senseis out there. Silver Note 9 right here. Go ahead and lock that right there. So just take a look around the device right quick. So we've got a new layout for the fingerprint sensor and camera array. Got dual 12 megapixel cameras back there, our heart rate and blood pressure monitor, along with our dual LED flash. Side, we've got our power button. This side, we've got our volume up and down and Bixby button. And on the bottom down here, we got the dying headphone jack, Type-C USB, a mic, and one of our speakers, along with that slot for the S Pen. Up top, we got our SIM card / micro SD card expansion slot, another mic, and up front, of course, we got nothing but, you know, that nice screen, nice thin bezels. We got an earpiece up there, camera, IR blaster for your iris scanning, and ambient light sensors and all that stuff. All the goodness up there. Nothing on the bottom. Let's do it. Let's go. My goodness. All right. Sorry about those X-rated noises. Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So as you already know, the content is going to be coming. I got cases coming in from several different companies. I got a Note 8 here that I'm going to be doing comparisons with, because I'm really interested. I know it's iterative, but they've pretty much done an iPhone thing where they've touched all the little small parts of the phone to improve it a little bit. Like even the little bezels are different. The curve of the screen is different. The screen's a little bit bigger. They just made a lot of small improvements to make, I think, an overall better phone. No, we don't need that, fam. Turn the screen brightness down if I can. I can't do that yet. But anyway, like I said, a lot of small improvements to make this phone overall better than the Note. Like I said, the biggest weak point of the Note was the battery life for me. Between that and the Snapdragon 845, which I found to be just a beast of a chipset. It isn't really more battery efficient in my personal experience than the Snapdragon 835. But the fact that they boosted up the battery size to 4,000 milliamp hours in this Note 9, I think really is going to help give it better battery life than the Note 8, which is really all I need. And then on top of that, you got the speed of the Snapdragon 845. Like I say, in my experience, it's been, very, very fast in every device it's been in. You got some camera improvements. You got the new dual aperture camera deal, super slow mo, which actually came to the Note 8. You got the 4K 60. That's the big thing for me. I'm going to be using this guy to produce some content for my channel. With my new channel phone, so definitely going to be loving that 4K 60. Get your screens ready. All right, step your screen game up. 4K 60 coming. But yeah, this is a quick look at the Note 9. And like I say, guys, look out for content from it. But until next time, I'll talk to you. Peace.